wishes to succeed as an online freelancer? Then the Department of Trade and Industry or DTI 7's DREAM project might be of help. DREAM, which stands for Digital Services Entrepreneurs Advancement Mentoring, is a project of DTI 7 in partnership with the Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industry for online entrepreneurs who would like to be equipped in this digital-driven economy. It features mentorship modules for the whole month of August and October, covering topics such as entrepreneurial mindsetting and values formation, overview of the market, developing the business, finance and operations management, people management, contract management, client management, legalizing your business, and business model canvas.
We thought to bring this phenomenon to the next level, develop the entrepreneurial capacities of these freelancers so that they are able to expand and generate jobs. And there are certainly a lot of success stories along this line. Our partners in the program that I previously mentioned are actually examples of successful digital entrepreneurs, and they are eager to multiply themselves by offering to do free mentoring services. Teach those who are just starting the journey so that their learning curves will not be too steep, so that we will have more success stories, and so that we can help generate the much needed jobs to bolster our economy, and so that we'll be able to develop more businesses that are not only responsive to the demands of a growing global digital economy, but also resilient in the new normal.
The program is free of charge, but it can only accommodate a maximum of 30 participants for the first batch in Region 7. Interested applicants must also have at least 6 months of freelancing experience and must be willing and committed to complete the program to upscale their online businesses. This has been Andrea Patenya Matthew for MyTV Cebu.